Hello everyone, I just finished reading Verity by Colin Hoover, and if you're someone like me who loves thrillers, suspenses, and unpredictability in the storyline, then you should read this book. This is a must-read book. Then, so the storyline basically revolves around author, a writer, Loen. She is a struggling writer, and she just got an very random, unpredictable. Offer to complete the series of the books of a very famous writer, Verity Crawford, and to work on that series she started living in the house of Verity, where Verity, with her husband and her 5-year-old son, is living there. More unpredictable, suspenseful, and twisted once she starts living in their house, and she moved to her office, Verity's office, to make some notes out of her writing, to know how she writes. And then actually, Loen founds the autobiography of the Verity, which she must have written some months ago, completed, and she starts reading the autobiography of the Verity. As Loen is reading every chapter of Verity's autobiography, readers also got to know all about Verity, all about the chapters of her autobiography, and every chapter of her autobiography leaves you with a lot of hatred towards her. But what happens at the last leaves you with a lot of suspenses, even after completing that book. My POV, Verity should have given time to explain things to her husband. She does not even get chance to explain things to her husband and to Loen, whatever she is writing and whatever is happening with her, why is it happening. So she deserves a better ending. That is what I personally think. And other than that, the decisions taken by characters after knowing whatever the truth is at that point is correct from readers and from characters point of view both. So the only until and unless the reader and the characters of the book are not getting the real truth, they were taking the decisions, and readers are also finding that the decisions right. So I think the book is written in such a wonderful way. I really like the writing of the book, how the plots are going, and the characters and everything. I like the storyline a lot. And at last, I just want to say that Verity deserves a better ending. And if she had got that chance to explain herself, maybe the ending of the book is not like what it is actually. But yes, I think it's a good read. It really plays with your mind, and you should read this book if you are so much into thriller, suspenses, and all that I have told it again and again. And it's a must read from my side, and I'll definitely recommend you this book. So thank you for watching, and start reading this book as soon as possible. After reading each and every chapter of her autobiography in this book, it left with me a lot of emotions, the emotions which I can't even explain you. I felt so bad after reading each and every chapter of her, as if I don't know, I really don't know. So, but yes, you will definitely enjoy this book. So it's a must read and it's a good read. So yes, thank you for watching. That is all I want to say about this book. Very